girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, a new artist here on Gordon Guitar, I believe so, James Morrison. Can't remember, I brought him on this channel before, I'm not sure. Cry Your Tears on Me. That's the title of the song. Anyway, let's go into this one, and as you can see, no need for any capo here, 5 simple chords, and that's it. So great life. Let's go into chords, and we're gonna start with D minor. So that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord is C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We have F next. That's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the first fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have also the C E chord, same grip as the C. Now you incorporate also the E string, the E note. And therefore you have that name, the C E. Okay, and finally we have the G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so the challenge here in this song is to learn the strumming pattern. It's not too hard, but that is the thing you need to overcome. So let's start with that strumming pattern. Grab the first chord, D minor, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with 2 downs first. And then comes down, up, down. And then comes 2 times of up, up, down. So up, up, down, up, up, down. And then you finish off with 1 up. And that's it. So down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, that is 1 string around. Once you get the hang of it, it will sound like this in standard tempo. And so on. Alright, let's start with the first verse. You're gonna play D minor, 2 string rounds, and C, 2 string rounds. You do that for 2 times. So D minor 2, C2, D minor 2, C2, and it goes like this. For the second round, and that is the first verse. Pre-chorus, 35 seconds in. We are both there sitting, broken or something like that in the lyric. What you're gonna play here is 1 down on F with a pause, then the C E, 1 down and a pause, and D minor, 1 down with a double pause. And the double pause means the down and the pause would be as if you would play 1 full string around. Okay, so have that in mind. That is the length of the pauses, and the F and the C is half of that. So you do that again. F, C, and G. That is the second half. So F, C, E, D minor, F, C, E, G. Okay, so after that comes the chorus, and it comes about 47 seconds in. You are never, 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 never alone. Very optimistic there. So let's start with the strumming again. You're gonna play D minor 2, C1, and G1. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. D minor 2, C1, and G1. Play for 2 rounds, and that's the first round, first chorus. Second round, just repetition, no changes at all. Verse, pre-chorus, chorus, played exactly in the same way. Then comes the bridge part, right after the second chorus. What you're gonna play here is D minor 2, C1, and G1. You play for 3 rounds, okay? 3 rounds of that, and that's a bridge. Then final part, the kind of third chorus slash outro. And what you're gonna play there is the chorus play, and you're gonna double up. Instead of playing just 2 rounds, now you're gonna play it for 4 rounds of that D minor to C1 and G1. And after you play that, my friends, you have finished the song from James Morrison. It's called Cry Your Tears on Me. So yes, hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you can't manage to play this one, the strumming pattern is too hard, then you can try to Cry Your Tears on Me, practice a little bit and be back here. And yeah, maybe learn something else, I think. And I believe in you guys. So hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.